Hi, I'm Rachael Beyer, the John W. Emery Family Assistant Curator of Oral History at History Colorado. Today we're going to talk about how to remove background sounds from your oral history audio files. I suggest downloading Audacity, which is a free software that allows you to edit audio tracks. Once you've downloaded it and it's on your desktop or wherever you keep such things, open it up and you'll get this field. Take your recording and drag it over to the gray field and drop it. This will move your audio track into Audacity. Now what I did was I recorded a little bit of sound with me sitting right next to a fan. Let me play that for you. Hi, this is Rachael Beyer. Now we don't really want that background sound all the way through our audio track. The same thing would go true, the same kind of background sounds would be fans, air conditioners or HVAC units, refrigerators, anything that makes a continual sound in the background. Now we don't want to ask somebody to unplug their refrigerator for recording because it's really easy for us to just take it out here in Audacity. So the first thing I want to do is I want to tell Audacity what sound I need it to take out. This is why having 2 or 3 seconds of silence at the beginning of an oral history interview is so important, because that way we give Audacity something to listen to. I don't want that sound all the way through my oral history. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this little bit, which doesn't have anybody talking, but does have that background sound. And I'm going to tell Audacity, this is the sound I want removed. After selecting, I'm going to go up to Effect, go down to Noise Reduction, click on that, and tell Audacity to get Noise Profile. That's going to let Audacity know what sound I want removed. I want that fan sound removed. Now I'm going to just click on this little blue spot right here, and that will select the entire track. I'm going to go back up to Effect, back down to Noise Reduction, and now I'm just going to click OK. And you can immediately see that Audacity has removed that background fan from the entire thing. So let's play that again. Hi, this is Rachael Beyer. Background sound gone. Now all I have to do to finish it up is go up to File, Export. You can export as different kinds of audio files. I'm just going to export it as an MP3. Put it onto my desktop. No fan, and save. It gives you a chance to enter metadata if you'd like to do that. I'm just going to skip over that for right now. And as you see, it'll give me my new recording up here. I'm just going to close this, go out of Audacity. Nope, I don't want to save it. I already did on my desktop. And that's how you can take background sounds out of your oral histories using Audacity. Thanks for joining me.